Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then click the power button and tap to press and hold power key. If you wanna use the voice assistant with the help of the power button, you should switch just power menu to voice assistant. And now with the press and hold to the power key, we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you wanna just turn it off, just by the same way switch Google Assistant to the power menu. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.